Hola queridos, ¿cómo están? Bienvenidos a la clase de español. Hope all of you are doing well, right? Muy bueno, very good. So, hoy vamos a aprender un verbo muy importante y muy interesante. Today we're going to learn a verb very important and very interesting. That is to be verb. Okay? To be verb in English and in Spanish, we will use either ser or estar for to be verb. Okay, there is two types of to be verb in Spanish. Okay, so empecemos. Let's start. Today we are going to learn about verbo ser. Okay, as I have told you that there is two types of to be verb in Spanish. So gradually we will learn everything. Okay, when we will use verbo ser, when we will use verbo estar, and how we will use. Okay, so we will learn everything gradually and properly. Okay, so let's start with verbo ser. Okay, verbo ser, it's a irregular year ending verb. We have already learned a verb comer, right? Comer verb, and we have already learned that in Spanish verbs will change according to person wise. Means it will change according to first person, second person, third person, singular and plural. Okay, and we have learned it in comer that it will be changed like como comes come, comemos comes come, like this way. But in ser, you will notice that the same rule means that como comes come, that thing will not continue over here. It will change according to person wise, but in a different way. Okay, so let's start. So, for first person singular number means for yo, it will be soy. Okay, yo soy. Okay, for second person singular number, for tú, it will be eres. Tú eres. What is tú? I know you know that. What is tú? Tú is similar to our tui tumi in Bengali and tu tum in Hindi. Right? It's informal you. Okay. For tú, it will be eres. For third person singular number means he, she, it, or él, ella, usted. What is usted? Usted is formal you. Means apni, आप. Okay. For third person singular, it will be s. Okay. él, s. ella, s. Usted, s. Okay. Like this way. Now it's time for plural. First person plural, that is nosotros. We. Okay. For nosotros, it will be somos. Okay, somos. Nosotros somos. Okay. Then second person plural. Vosotros or vos, it will be, for vosotros, it will be sois. Okay. Vos sois. Then it's time for third person plural, that is ellos, ellas, or ustedes. Means they. For they, it will be son. For example, ellos son, ellas son, ustedes son. Okay. So the form will be, the form of ser will be soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son. Okay. So it will be yo soy. Yo soy means I am. Okay. Yo soy, I am. Tú eres, you are. Okay. Tú eres, you are. He is, él es. She is, ella es. Usted es. Okay? We are. Nosotros somos or somos. If we use somos, we can understand that we are talking about us. We are. Okay? For vosotros, we will use sois. Then for ellos, son. Ellas, son. Ustedes, son. Means they are. Okay? Understood? And we, as we know that, as we can understand that it is very, the said verb is very important to form a sentence. Okay? To make a sentence. Okay? So, practice it properly. I'll share that page. How will you write according to person wise, and try to make small sentences with that. Okay? Because we have learned pronome sujeto y verbo ser. Next day we will learn when we will use usage of ser verb. Then we will learn estar. Okay? So practice it properly and try to make small sentences with that, like I am a boy. Okay? Or she is a girl. Okay? Like this way. Or we will do next day small sentences. We will make small sentences with that. Okay? Till then, cuídate. Adiós. Hasta la vista.